Now your positioning, are you happy with your driving position right now?
I've always struggled with my driving positioning.
You struggle with your driving positioning. Okay.
And being aware of whether it's good or not.
Are you worried you're going to hit the curb when you're driving?
No, I don't think so. But I always feel worried about being too close to the other cars on the other side of me, if that makes any sense.
But right now when you're driving, where do you think your positioning better off be? What do you think?
I think I'm okay.
Yeah, so if you look, there's a black line in the middle there. Can you see that, dividing the two lane? So if any lorry coming and if they're cutting the corner, what risk are you taking in this driving position? What do you think?
Being way too close to that lorry.
So when we driving in the UK like this, I know it's 7 a.m, nobody around, where you think we better off driving? Towards more to the right or a bit more in the middle of the road? What do you think?
Probably a bit more in the middle.
That's what we need really.
Okay.
We need to be driving close to the left curb.
Okay.
Maintain about a door's length space from the curb.
I'm really far away from that
You
curb.
you are really about 2 doors far away from there. That is a risk you are taking. So let's try, if you can. Don't worry, you're not gonna hit the curb, but let's see if you can keep your car more towards the left, near to the left curb though. Yeah? Start driving a bit more to the left. Now that curb, a bit more to the left, where you think the curb is disappearing for you right now. Just keep focusing there. What do you think? Bit more Let me help you out there.
Please.
So keep driving like this, and that should be somewhere here. Let's see this.
Okay.
Where you think it is for you right now?
Yeah, so the dot in the middle is on the yellow line for me, so yeah.
Is it on the yellow? Don't worry about the yellow line. We need to worry about the curb. So edge of the curb, where you think the edge of the curb is disappearing.
Now it's almost hands width.
That is the what you want driving positioning.
Oh,
okay?
wow,
Let's maintain this for me.
Ooh, scary. Okay.
Not scary at all. The chances of risk, for example, looking ahead, there's a what's coming up ahead.
There's a bend.
Now if you're going to be driving more to the left, and if any car coming quite fast, if they're using our space, we are not really impeding anyone. But if you're going to be driving too much to the right, like that car there, can you see how he was close to the curb?
Definitely.
You understand?